Hey guys, welcome back. So, today I'm talking about something a little different because honestly, my lower back has been killing me lately. Sitting at a desk all day and maybe bad posture has just caught up with me. I kept seeing ads for this SmoothSpine Triple Fusion Massager, claiming it could fix sciatica and back pain at home. And like most of you, I was pretty skeptical. I mean, can a gadget really replace a chiropractor? But looking at the price of therapy sessions, I figured it was worth a shot to test it out. Now, here's the thing that actually surprised me. Most back massagers just vibrate, right? This one is different because of the traction lifting. When you turn it on, you'll see the green light for the airbag mode. It actually inflates and physically lifts your lower back. The manual says it lifts to an optimal 26-degree angle, and I have to say, you feel it. It's this deep stretch that creates space in your spine. It feels like it's taking the pressure off those pinched nerves instantly. It's called triple fusion because it combines that traction with heat therapy and vibration massage. I usually put it on the automatic mode. The heat warms up really fast. It turns red on the controller, and it brings blood flow right to the stiff area. Then the vibration kicks in to loosen the knots. Honestly, doing this for just 15 minutes, it's like a reset button. It doesn't just cover up the pain, it feels like it's actually helping the inflammation. Look, a single spinal decompression session at a clinic can cost over $100. This thing costs less than a couple of those visits and you have it at home forever. Plus a great relief I'm getting. So if you're dealing with sciatica or just that nagging lower back pain, I honestly think this is a solid investment for your health. I've left a link in the description below where you can check it out and grab one for yourself. If this review helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching.